Hi everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Alex, product manager from Magestore, and I have 10 years working with Magento development, and today I'm happy to sharing with you my experience and my knowledge I have when I work with Magento merchant in the world. And Magento 2.3 with MSI was released last year, and it made Magento become a good option for O2O merchant looking for a centralized system. And so in my presentation today, I would like to talk about how to do that, how to turn Magento 2.3 into a centralized system for omnichannel retail. So I will go overview about the state of omnichannel retail to see the challenges the retail have when they go omnichannel. And then I show you the advantage of using Magento as a centralized system, which includes the gap we need to solve. And next is a step to how to central data in the Magento. And finally, I want to introduce a case study in the real world. We already implement the omnichannel solution for retail using Magento 2.3. Nowadays, nearly all the retail have omnichannel strategy in place, but most feel their organization as not being effective. Most retailers think omnichannel is critical and they have plans to invest in it. However, only 10% says that they have right omnichannel technology. Retailers want to offer cross-channel, the loyalty program, the discount, promotion, and understand the customer behavior data across the sales channel. And the biggest challenge for them is integrate different sales channels and turn the data into useful insights and limit budgets. It's true. Many merchants come to my store and they say that they want to build omnichannel solution, but they have not much budget to do that. And with that in mind, the next question is, should using Magento as a centralized system for omnichannel? So to answer that, let's see the advantage if we using Magento as a centralized system. The first of all, you know that Magento 2.3 already support the multiple sales channel. The merchant can create multiple websites in Magento, and each website should be considered like a sales channel. And they also the Amazon integration, which allows to retail sales item on marketplace. And in addition, you can set up the data across the sales channel, for example, customer product inventory data, promotion and discount. And one important thing is that the merchant can view the sales report by channel or by website in the backend of Magento without any customization. I saw that not much people know that, but it's true in Magento now. And Magento 2.3 also a great platform to store the master data of retail. It provides complete order data, and the flexible product configuration can fit with many requirements of different business. And thanks to MSI team of Magento, now merchant can have 2 layers of inventory management in Magento. And Magento also provides unlimited customer attribute, so it can adapt to many requirements to store the customer data merchant. And so one important thing is that Magento is open source. With this, merchant can have a much better control their system with Magento. And they can have many options to, extend the feature of their business. They can use this by many modules from marketplace, or even they can, develop the custom integration or custom feature by the dev team in-house or hire service from agency in the world. So in summary, I think Magento 2.3 is, offer excellent online sales channel and the master data to build a new one. However, Magento, does provide the offline channel, and the tool for supply chain management for retail. So to turn the Magento into a centralized system, we need to solve this gap above. And here's a step we do this. The first, we make the integrated the Magento with offline channel, and all the data will be synchronized from offline channel to Magento Central. And the second step, we integrate other channel of retail to Magento. And finally is optimize and innovate the retail business operation. The first step to integrate the offline channel with Magento, we can use a native solution point of sale or an integrated POS. In this case, I recommend using the native solution for offline channel because it can deliver, is a better, consistent user experience for customer. And the sales transaction from offline channel should be updated to Magento sale order, which is merchant can access all the order data from one place. And the point of sale also should be connected to Magento sort and Magento stock of MSI. And next step, we connect other sales channel to Magento, like marketplace, kiosk, phone order, or mobile channel. For purchase management or order fulfillment, we recommend using a native solution built in Magento. It connects directly to Magento inventory and sales order, so the data will be updated instantly across the whole system as well as all the sales channel of merchant. And for other things of retail business like CRM or accounting, we recommend connect to Magento via API and push all the necessary data to Magento. And after the step number 2, the retail should have all the data from different channels in Magento. And it's the time to get useful insight from the data, maybe by advanced analytics. You can analyze the data by sales channel to build the store metric or to analyze the customer behavior by segment. Here, I think the Magento Business Intelligence, Magento BI is a good option here. And in addition, we see that you can apply many innovative technology to have the retail business. You may can provide the virtual assistant service to have store owner to make the decision based on the sale data, the inventory data you have in the Magento Central. And you can also apply the prediction service to optimize the procurement plan to reduce the inventory value in the warehouse, for example. And finally, I want to introduce a case study. We already made the Omnichannel with Magento 2.3. And the retail is based in US, and they have 3 different business types. It's the wine tasting room, the burglary, and the grocery and spa. And they have around 20 winery stores in the United States. When they come to our main store, they're already using Magento for online sales channel. And they use an ERP and POS from AMS solution for restaurant. And it doesn't connect to sales channel, it doesn't connect to Magento. And even they plan to use another POS system for grocery store. And it also doesn't connect to Magento. It's really hard to centralize the data in one place and go omnichannel with the current system. And this is the application of the merchant about the omnichannel they want. They want to provide a seamless and consistent user experience for customer. They want to easy to manage the order data, the customer data in one place in Magento. and they want to fulfill the order from headquarter or winery store. The order may come from many different channels like online, event, or physical store. And they need a POS fit with a specific requirement from different types they need, like wine tasting, winery store, and grocery store. And after work with this client and analyze the whole requirement of the whole system, we build the omnichannel solution for the client. We based on Magento Commerce 2.3, and we provide a native Magento POS for the client, and it builds based on the PWA technology, and it can work on the iPad or PC or any devices. And it synchronizes data with Magento in real time. We also provide the order fulfillment built in Magento, and the merchant can access order fulfillment in the backend of Magento. They don't need to use another system. We also provide a reward point, gift card, and also store credit. And after 3 months to work together, to testing, to customize, update, and changing. And the first winery store go live in June this year. And we are planning to apply this solution for other stores of retail. And after finish the implementation for the first store, the merchant now have a centralized customer data in Magento and across all the sales channel. And they can provide a solid customer experience across the channel like online, event, and physical store. They can apply the same loyalty program for all the customers come to retail. And they have a system with highly customizable and extendable for the different requirements and the expansion in the future. And we also provide the POS with quick checkout, and it can work in multiple devices like tablet, iPad, and PC. And if you have any question, you can send me the email to alex@magestore.com or Twitter @magestore. Thank you for your attention today. Thank you very much.